Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to Copenhagen at night, where the city transforms into a magical wonderland under the cover of darkness. Join us as we explore the enchanting Danish capital in all its nocturnal glory. The city's iconic landmarks take on a new life after sunset. Nyhavn, with its vibrant waterfront buildings, comes alive with colorful lights reflecting on the calm waters. As the night deepens, Copenhagen's culinary scene lights up. From trendy bars to Michelin-starred restaurants, there's a feast for every palate. Savor Danish delicacies and international cuisine, all served with a side of Danish hospitality.